If you're a coffee lover looking for the perfect coffee maker to kickstart your mornings or keep you energized throughout the day, the Cowsar 14-cup coffee maker is an exceptional choice. Combining smart functionality with elegant design, this coffee maker is a true game changer for anyone seeking convenience, durability, and the perfect cup of coffee. With features like 24-hour programmability, anti-drip technology, and easy cleaning mode, it's designed to take the hassle out of brewing and give you the best possible coffee experience. But is the Cowsar 14-cup coffee maker truly worth the hype? Let's explore everything this coffee maker has to offer in detail and see why it might be the best choice for your home or office. First impressions and design. Right out of the box, the Cowsar 14-cup coffee maker impresses with its sleek stainless steel finish. The compact design allows it to fit comfortably in any kitchen, from modern minimalist setups to cozier, more traditional spaces. The high borosilicate glass coffee pot is not only durable but also visually appealing, making it an excellent addition to any countertop. The glass pot is designed to handle sudden temperature changes without cracking, and its food-grade quality ensures it is safe and long-lasting. Additionally, the external water level indicator provides convenience by letting you know exactly how much water is left in the 2.1-liter tank, which is perfect for brewing up to 14 cups of coffee. Performance and brewing quality. Now let's talk about what truly matters: the coffee. The Cowsar Coffee Maker features high-temperature steam spray extraction at 176 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring that your coffee grounds are thoroughly infused for a deep, rich flavor. This system guarantees you an authentic American-style coffee with a robust aroma and a full-bodied taste. Bold Brew Mode is a fantastic feature that allows you to customize the strength of your coffee. If you like a stronger cup in the morning and a lighter one in the afternoon, this machine adapts to your preferences effortlessly. And for those who just want a quick cup without brewing the entire 14 cups, the 1 to 4 cup setting is a lifesaver, providing a perfect solution for smaller quantities without compromising the flavor. Programmable features and convenience. The 24-hour programmable function makes the Cowsar Coffee Maker stand out. Imagine waking up to the smell of freshly brewed coffee every morning without having to lift a finger. The programmable timer allows you to set the exact time you want your coffee brewed, giving you control and convenience like never before. Once the coffee is brewed, the machine's keep warm function kicks in, ensuring your coffee stays hot for as long as you need it. You can even customize the temperature and duration of the warming feature, allowing you to enjoy your coffee exactly how you like it, even hours after it's brewed. One of the best features is the anti-drip design, which automatically halts coffee extraction when the coffee pot is removed. This is particularly useful when you're in a rush and need a cup mid-brew. No mess, no spills, and no burns. Cleaning and maintenance. Keeping your coffee maker clean is vital for maintaining the quality of your coffee, and Cowsar has made this process incredibly easy. The easy cleaning mode automatically reminds you when it's time to clean the machine, every 90 uses. To activate, simply add a mixture of white vinegar and water to the tank, press the clean button, and the machine takes care of the rest in about 50 minutes. Once the cleaning cycle is complete, the cleaning indicator turns off, ensuring your coffee maker is always in optimal condition for brewing. This thoughtful feature ensures that you don't have to worry about manual cleaning, and it prolongs the life of the coffee maker by preventing the buildup of residue and mineral deposits. Energy efficiency and power. With 800 watts power, the Cowsar Coffee Maker is both energy efficient and powerful. It uses just the right amount of energy to brew your coffee quickly, without putting a strain on your electricity bill. This is an excellent choice for eco-conscious coffee drinkers who are looking for a high-performing machine that won't consume excessive energy. Who is this coffee maker for? The Cowsar 14-cup coffee maker is ideal for anyone who values convenience, quality, and customization in their coffee routine. Whether you're a busy professional who needs to program your coffee in advance, a coffee enthusiast who appreciates a bold, full-flavored brew, or someone who simply enjoys having a hot pot of coffee ready at all times, this machine offers something for everyone. It's also perfect as a gift for coffee lovers, with features that cater to both beginners and seasoned coffee aficionados alike. Plus, with its beautiful design, it makes a thoughtful and practical gift for holidays or special occasions like Father's Day, Mother's Day, and Christmas. Final thoughts. Is the Cowsar 14-cup coffee maker worth it? In a word, yes. The Cowsar 14-cup coffee maker delivers on all fronts. From its innovative features like 24-hour programmability and anti-drip technology to its robust brewing capabilities, this coffee maker offers an outstanding balance of functionality, design, and ease of use. It's energy efficient, easy to clean, and provides you with complete control over how you brew and enjoy your coffee. If you're looking for a versatile coffee maker that's reliable, durable, and capable of delivering excellent coffee every time, the Cowsar Coffee Maker is a fantastic investment. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.